Hi guys. Just a quick note to analyze after our stocks that I think has potential for tomorrow. But as it stands now, there's two stocks that I'm only interested in or going to watch tomorrow morning. We have LGCB, which put up about 51% after the market close, and also um, swag, which put up about 22%. I don't deal with penny stocks. I don't deal with these penny stocks. But there's something that you have to pay attention to if you're going to look at stocks after the market has closed. Okay. So this stock has a little bit of news, which is not that much anything because again, Nasdaq compliance, which means before they were not complying, but now they got compliance. It can still move. It still have potential because the stock has gone up 51%. You always want to check about the percentage that the stock has gone up and think about that. If I'm day trader within the 51%, how much can I also take? Okay. Never think that the stock is 51% going to go to 200, 300, whatever. Yes, most of the times it does that, but you need to have a strategy, and the strategy has to be the same every time before you can be a successful trader. Other than that, there's so many opportunities in the market. So if today it goes up 200% and you are looking at it 200% to go up 200%, what if it doesn't go up? But for now, this is what I know. So how much can I take from this? If I look at the float, it's 1.6 million, which is okay. I look at the average volume, 84,000, and the real volume was 2.5, which is also okay. Market capital is about 6 million. That alone tells me that if this stock go up so much, they're going to be raising capital. So for the most part, not all the time, but for the most part. So I have that in mind before going into it. If so, if I wake up tomorrow and this stock, since it already went up from $1.90 and put up almost $1, without me, I'm not gonna go up to get it here. If it doesn't come back down here, I let it go. There's so many stocks that are gonna come up tomorrow. So the game plan will be if you, I'm not trading in a pre-market because, like I say, I'm never gonna put my money where I cannot protect it. This morning I traded, I lost about $52. But why I lost $52? It was pre-planned. So um I knew that if it doesn't go up, this is how much I was gonna lose. It's okay versus if I had just get in and then it had gone against me. So you always wanna plan it. Like if you're gonna trade pre-market, you have to understand that there's no way you can protect your capital, but you can win multiple times. 10, 20 days in the street, one day can just wipe everything that you've won. So that's the disadvantage of pre-market and after hours. Other than that, there's this stock, the swag too is another stock that I won't mind looking at it. Is 8 million float, and the company reported uh 8.8% sales growth. But sometimes you look at it, so if they reported 8.6 million sales growth, you ask yourself, what was the end and what's the breakdown? How much was the profit? So they won't say it, but they just say, let's see, their profit rose to 25 million, driven by strategic acquisition. So but you see the growth is up here. That's what they put first. But when you read coming down here, the net loss is 4.1 million attributed to increase in expenses to the acquisition. Um, we just wake in the morning and see what the price action says. Um, I always keep a day trading checklist game plan over here. This is I'm trying to build another one for myself. So if you're gonna be using it trading as something that you're gonna do for a long term, you need to track your trading. You need to always uh have a journal, right? Whatever you did the day, whether you make profit, you didn't make profit, how was your thinking? Were you afraid? Were you not afraid? And at some point, if you trade about 100 or 50 trades, you can be able to build a portfolio to like you can know like which things work for you, which are not working, and what time serve you the best, what price range serve you the best. But as at now, these are the stocks that I'm gonna look for in the morning, and this is up 22%. This is up 51%. So before I will say any of them will be a buy opportunity. If your stock is 51%, I'll make sure that I have to retrace back for a while before you can get in. Or also, I'll watch it at the opening for it to break the pre-market high, which is very important. So the pre-market high for this stock will be 130, and then LGCB, the pre-market, I'll want it at $3. So let's look at tomorrow how this will go. But the market is big. You can have all this news, and then in the morning there could be other stock that will come with proper news, more better than this, right? And then nobody will look at this stock. That is why you have this on your watch list, and at the same time take into considerations that there's so many things that you cannot control in the market. You only have to take what the market will give you in the morning. So let's watch it, and then tomorrow, whatever stocks that I found in the morning, I'll let you guys know. But I always want you guys to go and subscribe to the channel, and also make a comment. If you like the videos, if you don't like, why you like, what do you don't like? Because I mean, I'm new to it. It was just some friends that asked me that I put up these videos, but as time goes on, it's gonna be improving, And I understand, like, if you think you are new to trading and it's hard for you, think about it. I'm not social media person. It's also new to me, but I'm over here trying to improve. So you always want to keep learning. Don't learn from one person. Keep learning from everybody, and at some point you're gonna build yourself like a style that work for you. I don't trade these days in the morning. I don't trade. I trade in the afternoon, and that's another style that works for me versus when I have to wake up in the morning. But I cannot follow somebody blindly. I have multiple online classes that I've taken before, but I cannot follow them because their style is their style. So I also want you to always go ahead and listen to this trade and always build your own style that works for you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the morning.